please stay at home. Doing that already.
Okay, Cholo, so you want to eat more pizza?
Yes.
Ooh, what pizza are you gonna be eating today?
That one, that's mine.
Oh, Papa John's.
This is for
Nice.
2 cheeses on it.
What?
There's 2 cheeses, pizza sauce.
You want some pizza sauce? Oh, okay. So, what is it? It's a pizza margarita. Ooh, so you're gonna eat one more. Huh, Cholo?
Yes.
Okay, so put it in the plate. Alright? Alright, so let's go take it to the microwave. Come on, let's go. Carry you. Okay, Cholo. Oops, just wait. Fall in line. Fall in line, Cholo.
Okay, no seconds, 16.
What? Okay. 10 more seconds. Wait. Then it's your turn. Okay. Oh, 10 seconds. It's done. Okay, next one is Pocholo's pizza. Okay, put your pizza inside. Nice. And you're gonna press. How many seconds? 20 seconds. No, not that one. The right one. On the right side. There you go. One. Press it one. One more. Again. Press it harder. One more. Okay, start. There you go. Hey, don't put your face there. Don't go too close to the microwave. Okay, let's wait for it.
Just keep turning the pizza.
Yeah, it's turning. 5 more seconds. Okay. Get it. Is it hot? Tell me, is it hot? I'll help you. No? Oh, you can do it.
Oh!
Come on, let's go. Hey, don't run.
More pizza slice.
Hey. Want to slice it? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, here. You can do it. You're a big boy now. Come on. Hold it hard. No, not like that. Okay. Slice it. Almost there. Ooh. You can do it. Okay. Oh, there you go. And the taste. Oh, very soft. Oh, put it back. Put it back. And eat your pizza now. Slice it later. Okay.
Oh, that's too big.
It's too big. Eat your pizza now.
Oh, Mommy, can I help me? Oh, that means a big one.
Mommy will help you eat it. Mommy will eat the whole thing.
Mommy, you just gotta eat bread.
There you go.
That's my bread.
Nice. Oh, you like to eat the bread. So you should be eating lots of breads already. Okay?
Mmm.
Tastes good. What flavor is that again?
Cheese.
Cheese.
There's a sauce there.
There's a sauce there. Be careful, right?
Yummy.
I know, but that's dangerous because you don't put your knife in your mouth, okay?
Finish it.
So you're doing mukbang now, Cholo? Is this mukbang?
No.
No.
Oh,
Oh.
more pizza sauce.
More pizza sauce. It's actually made of tomatoes, Cholo.
Tomato sauce.
Yes, it's tomato sauce.
Has tomatoes on.
Mm-hmm. Careful. Yummy. Ooh. There's cheese on it, peppers. Yeah, there is.
Tomato sauce there.
Mm.
Ew. Mmm.
Does it really taste good, Cholo?
Yummy pizza sauce.
Yummy pizza sauce. Oh, you're almost done. You're almost done. Ooh, yummy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What are you thinking, Charlie?
It feels like happy.
Ah, you feel happy. Oh, be careful, not too fast. Yummy.
More.
Okay. So how is it, Philip?
Yummy.
It's yummy. So your pizza is from?
Pizza.
Yeah, it's from Papa John's. So are we gonna order Papa John's again in the future? Really? Hey, where are you going? Ah, you need to clean your hands. So you have to wash your hands, Cholo. Okay? Okay, so
Please subscribe.